Hi everyone, in this video we will go through what is cloud computing and the essential characteristics of cloud computing. So in our day-to-day we are using multiple cloud-based solutions and applications. So what all are they? Some examples. Gmail is hosted in a cloud. We are using multiple applications. Gmail itself is an application. The data we transfer is getting stored in the cloud-based storage which Google uses. And Microsoft Teams, the Office 365 solution applications. And there are thousands and thousands of applications which are hosted in cloud. So on a day-to-day basis, we are transferring plenty of data towards the cloud and retrieving data from the cloud. We are transferring customer data. We are dealing with our own personal data, organization data. So have you ever thought that how secure the data is? So it is not in our hand. I cannot, even if some attacks are happening globally, I cannot switch off that machine from my side, or I cannot remove the cable from the network so that I can be confident that my data is secure. So let's learn something about cloud computing in this video. Cloud computing in very general sense is an on-demand access of computing resources, computing power, storage, multiple applications, network with a rapid provisioning. So they will be provisioning it very quickly and without much management effort. I need not manage multiple things. I need not provide the physical support for that. So this is the basic definition of cloud computing. I should be able to access on demand. And there are certain characteristics which make a cloud computing. So what are those essential characteristics? Number one, on-demand self-service. As we discussed, I should be able to access the computing resources, whether it is storage, the processing power, the network. I should be able to access it without a cloud service provider support. I should be able to access very freely. So it is an online application. I should be able to access it. The second characteristic is broad network access. So I should able to access the cloud computing from anywhere. So anywhere and from any device. So whether it is a mobile device, whether it is a laptop, whether it is desktop, whether it is a server, whether it is some other computing devices, I should be able to access it 24/7 without much complexity. And the third point is the resource pooling. So what happens in a cloud computing environment, they will be provisioning the physical devices. So physical servers will be there, physical storage will be there. On top of that, they will be making the virtualization. In general terms, it is virtualization or latest technologies using containerization and other areas. So the virtualization is done and it will be provisioned for multiple customers. It is not only for me, it is for multiple customers is been using the cloud service. So that is the resource pooling. The fourth one is the rapid elasticity. So if I wanted to extend my processing power, so now I have the RAM capacity of 16 GB, I need to make it into 32 GB. So I should be able to provision it quickly. So that is the rapid elasticity. If I am having a 1 TB storage, I wanted to move it to 2 TB storage, I should able to do it quickly. So the cloud service provider should make that provisions so that the customer, when he needs additional storage or he wanted to reduce 1 TB to 500 GB, so I should be able to do it very quickly. So that is called a rapid elasticity. And the fifth point is measured service or metered service. So whenever I am using whatever resources, so if I use 1 TB and certain 5 servers with certain computing processing power, I should be billed only for that. Then if I next month if I move to 2 TB, then they should bill only for that data and the processing or the storage capacity what I used. So that is the measured or metered service. So let us see once again all the 5 essential characteristics of cloud computing. First one is on-demand self-service. We should be able to access, we should be able to provision the system very quickly. Second one is the broad network access. I should be able to access from anywhere and from any device. The third one is the resource pooling. they should provision it, and virtualization is done, it should be able to access by multiple customers. And the fourth one is rapid elasticity. I should be able to increase and decrease the system resources as and when I need it. And the fifth one is the measured or metered service. So whatever I use, they should only charge that one. So these are the 5 major characteristics of cloud, and there are certain deployment models and there are certain service models in cloud that we will see in a different video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.